Hey guys, how's it going? It's Janie over here at JaniesSweets. Welcome back to another Friday Fixes episode where you ask me okay questions and I do my best to answer them for you. Now today's episode is going to be all about the art of running a successful sale. Somebody has asked me if it was okay to have sales and promotions as a part of advertising. Now my answer to her question isn't really cut and clear, black and white. The short answer is yes, you can. However, you really have to be careful because if you do not run this sale correctly, you may end up losing more money than you do make in the long run. And here's why. What I see people do often is they just say, okay, so my cakes or my cupcakes are usually $3 a cupcake. I'm just going to offer that cupcake for $1.99 or $2, right? So no big deal. You remove $1, it makes sense. However, you need to know where exactly you're going to make your money. Whenever you see those big box companies offering a sale, they have thought about it and calculated it. It wasn't just, hey, I need to sell things, so let me just reduce the price, which is the mistake that I see a lot of people doing. Either they're doing it to advertise, like I said, or they're doing it because they're trying to sell stuff. Advertising is something that you have to do regardless for your business. This is crucial for any industry that you're in, especially if you do not have a storefront. You need to find creative ways to advertise. So this is something that you need to do regardless. Running a sale or a promotion isn't necessarily something that you have to do. Now, what are some reasons why you might want to do a sale? Now, the best reason that I personally think to run a sale is to get rid of inventory. Let's say, for example, you have a whole bunch of sprinkles, right? Like heart sprinkles. Now you want to get rid of them, so you might offer a sale or a discount on cupcakes with heart sprinkles on them for Valentine's Day, for example. Now, for the most part, there are three types of sales that you can have. There is a contest that you can have where the person can win something, so you kind of know that you're gonna lose some money off of making the product. However, it is kind of like advertising, if you will. The second type is an incentive. So it's like those buy one get one free type of things. So let's just say if you buy 2 dozen cupcakes, I will throw in an additional, half a dozen. Now the third kind is a promotion, and it's kind of like something that's seasonal. So you might say, again, going back on the Valentine's Day cupcakes, that you're gonna offer these cupcakes at a discount for Valentine's Day or for 4th of July or whatever the case may be. So these are the kinds of sale, again, that you can have. There are so many ways to have a sale. However, the two most common ways that I see people do is either offering an incentive, so either a buy one get one type of thing, or offering a discount. So it's just the regular thing that they would have ordered normally, however at a discounted price. Let's talk about some mistakes that I found people making when running a successful sale. First mistake that they make is that they do not advertise. You need to advertise soon and you need to advertise often. What I find is that advertising is key to anything that you're trying to sell, whether it is your regular sweets or your discounted sweets. The more it's in people's faces, the more they're going to want to do it. So definitely make sure to advertise. Second mistake that people make is that they do not work the price out correctly. You still need to at least break even for your sale. This is not a liquidation. You're not trying to get rid of stuff at a loss. You still are trying to at least make a little profit. If not, at least you need to break even. So definitely work out the price and make sure it makes sense. Another mistake that people make is that they have too many sales. A sale is something that should entice people to say, oh my gosh, her stuff are normally, I don't know, $100 and she is offering it at $50. I need to grab it. This needs to be something that people want to do. It's not that every other Friday you have a sale, then nobody's gonna really buy it because they know that next Friday they can come back and it's still gonna be that same price. So definitely make sure that you plan it out and you say, okay, I'm going to have 3 sales this year and that is it and that is all. Now the next thing that I want to say is that you need to have a set number. It needs to be a while supplies last. Understand how you're going to run that sale and how much you can make. If you do not think about this, you're going to burn yourself out. What happens if you planned to make 50 cupcakes, right? 50 orders of cupcakes, right? And then 100 people came, to the sale. Do you allow all 100 people to order your discounted cupcakes, or do you cut it off at 50? You need to think about yourself and not burn yourself out, because yes, it may be tempting to have, the extra money, but trust me, sometimes it's just not worth it. Cut it off at an amount of customers or an amount of product that you want to sell. On that note, you do also have to make sure that you have enough. So you don't say, okay, 100 people can come and do it, but you don't have enough product for 100 people to order. So make sure that not only you have a set amount of people or of product that you want to sell, but that also you can, accommodate all these people or all these products. The next thing that I see people do is that they do not have a set time frame for this to end. Now, this may seem like, okay, duh, yeah, obviously, but you'd be surprised how many people are like, oh, I know the sale ended, like yesterday, can I still squeeze in? No. It needs to be at a certain time. And again, this is creating that anticipation that people know, oh my gosh, I need to get on it. I need to grab it now while supplies last. So you have to set the time frame in which you want this sale to run and stick to it. Now, the last and biggest mistake that I see people make is, especially when you are a custom, cookie or a custom cake or a dessert designer, you tend to treat every order as if it was one of a kind, not for a sale. A sale is something that is super quick, super fast. It's something you need quick cash. What I'm going to say, I need you to take with a grain of salt, but don't give your best work, if that makes any sense. You don't want to, give the best of your best. This is an assembly line type of thing, because this is a sale. This is something at a discount. Not that you're going to, it's crap. However, you understand what I'm trying to say. It's not a custom thing. The customer cannot call you 50,000 times and want to change it. For example, if your sale is on Oreo cupcakes, don't, people can't call you and be like, oh, I want the sale, but I want it vegan. Can you do that? Then it's not a sale. It's an order for vegan Oreo cupcakes. Does that make sense what I'm trying to say? You're not changing it. The sale is the sale is the sale. So there you have it, guys. These are my tips on what not to do when you're running a sale so that it can be successful. I really do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other tips or things that have worked for you, please share them down below. I'd love to read about them, and of course, I'm sure that other people would love to hear about it as well. So if you found this video at all helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It would really mean the world to me. If you click that subscribe button, if you're not already subscribed, I'm trying to reach my 50,000 subscriber goal by the end of the year. So I would really appreciate it if you did, and if you shared this video with your friends and family so that they do not miss out on any of my future videos, because I will be posting every single Friday. So that is it for this week's video, you guys. I love you. I'll talk to you next time.